Hi everyone, it's time for another project. Today we're going to do the poor man's version of soba noodles, which is buckwheat noodles. It happens to be New Year's Eve. We're going to be celebrating the New Year's within an hour, and traditionally you're supposed to eat the noodles prior to the New Year as tush kush soba. So we have a handy dandy machine that will show you how we make ours. The ingredients are simply buckwheat noodles. It's supposed to be all-purpose flour, but we use wheat flour, some eggs with water, and then for sauce it's simply water and tsuyu. With that, let's take a look at what we do. Alright, first we add buckwheat flour, and wheat flour or all-purpose flour. Oh, don't do that. Clearly this bowl wasn't meant for pouring. Next, water. And let's see. Because this is fresh noodles, it will not take very long to boil this. So, here we go. And there you have it, tush kush soba.
Although I used a machine to make the noodles, it took less than 15 minutes from scratch to serve. If you enjoy pasta, the machine pays for itself quickly. Even poor men and women can use it. I hope you enjoyed this project. See you again, soon.